Vegana presence. Hazard. Programmed by John Ferguson Aditi. Learning objectives. After learning this unit, you should be able to 1. Explain the term hazard. 2. Identify and interpret warning and safety signs, in the community and laboratory. 3. Identify safety precautions, to prevent accidents in the home and school. Meaning of hazard.
What is the meaning of hazard?
A hazard is generally anything that can hurt you, or make you ill. It is something which could be dangerous to one's health, or safety. Hazards are dangerous, because it may result in injury and loss of life, and property. Hazard encountered, in teaching and learning science.
What is the hazard encountered, in teaching and learning science?
Hazards encountered, in the teaching and learning of science are 1. Fire outbreaks. 2. Falling objects. 3. Fumes and dust. 4. Poor lighting system. 5. Toxic or poisonous gases. 6. Explosive substances. 7. Corrosive substances. 8. Broken glassware. 9. Faulty electrical gadgets.